Now you be Mr. John Bosco.
Yes, I'm the one, eh?
Now me bring your package. Okay, see her here.
No, don't worry, eh? Give my daughter her own, eh? Let her go inside before you give me my own.
No. Give my dad this one first, let him go.
No, Nawada. How will I keep you under the sun?
What's going
give
on
my daughter
here?
her package so she can go inside.
No, daddy, that's not how mommy trained me now. See, just give my dad this one first, let him go.
See, I beg. I don't get all this kind of time. Give my dad. Madam, take your vibrator.
How, Chim?
Okay. Take your penis.
Yeah.
What's up, my people? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I know how to do best, comedy reaction. So make sure you stick to the very end, because I promise you this video won't be long, but it will be packed with so many interesting videos. So all you have to do is to just make sure you're subscribed, put on your bell notification so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. So my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Talkless, you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Talkless, what's this up? What's going on here?
So, honey, this is the new house help I told you about.
This big man. Sir, I'm not a big man. I just the area.
What be this?
Honey, don't worry, he can do the work.
You trust him?
Yes, I do. My friend actually recommended him, so.
Sir, I can do the work very well. Okay, no problem.
So, Talkless, we'll be paying you 50,000 naira every month, okay?
No problem.
My husband will be the one paying you.
Now you employ me.
I'm the one employing you, but my husband will be the one paying you.
Young man, don't worry. I'll be paying you.
Sorry, sir.
I'll be paying you every 27th of the month.
Okay, sir. It's nice, sir.
And you're free to start work.
Wow.
You take your bag inside.
Yes, I don't room there. 27th of October. 27 now reach now.
Time of work.
That's
All the midnight calls that you come sneak out of the room to go and make. Do I?
Babe, that's not the issue right here. Bullshit.
In short, I'm leaving this house.
You can leave this relationship as well.
I don't care.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, not today you won't pay me my salary, sir.
Am I done? I employed you here. Please get out of my way, Joe.
What type of play is this?
Now you employ me, madam.
You need to get out of here. I know that he's going to pay you. Get out of here.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, babe, may I tell you something, sir?
Okay.
I don't believe saying that this can fight. Now I kill my grandma.
You serious?
And my grandpa they go outside. That's why they don't fight finish. Then my grandma fight for house.
You won't bring a cover.
Fight is the worst thing in this life.
Sorry.
Like salary day after.
Now. I like someone who just employed last month to be advising us. People smile now. I'm sorry.
Sorry, madam.
Yes. What are you still doing here?
Aji, na my salary, sir. You go pay.
What they buy salary?
Come, make everybody man I want to change you. 1,000 naira na money, I don't want to I beg you. Bros, not be 200 again. They mad? When I say attacker, you know what the friend cost? I don't want to I beg you money in the morning. That's what's up, I beg.
Okay, tell you for the junction, I beg.
Okay, sir. This guy, I don't like his clothes. His clothes are two-day black and dirty. They change their clothes.
Okay, what's going to be this one? Give me your money, I beg. I don't want to settle.
I have up to 50 in my pocket now.
Give her now, give her. Driver, wait, man, take up this battle. Okay, give her the money.
Okay, calm down now. Why they do that? Give her my money.
You don't get money.
Find the money now.
This driver, you give this driver money now.
What the hell are you about, Injo? Give her my money. See the money now. See the money. Can't keep this one safe. I like this thing, no. Let the money be this.
I love this
money. Come here, I don't like this kind of drama.
I want your money.
1,000 naira. Give me a bema, come here.
I take, I beg.
Thank you.
Okay, just take, I beg. I pay for them.
Thank you. Okay, your money pass for 3,000 remain.
Just keep the change and buy fuel.
Bros, pay for me now.
Why I forgot my gun? I for shoot this idiot.
Okay, give me money.
Now 200 at home.
You can't talk with this one now. Now 200 I tell you, you know what I tell you. Give me money, I beg, I don't want to.
Call that one slapper.
Bros, they shout for me, not be me fight your battle.
I send you fight. I send you. I just say I want that one for you. Give me money, I beg, come on here.
Bros, now only 200 at home.
200 naira. Okay? Now 200 carry reach. Don't enter my car again. No.
Bros, I was there for you.
You be mumu.
Bros, wait.
Bros, you hold your phone.
Come on, mama.
Mama, tell my mama what's happening. Okay, when I reach Lagos, I will tell mama say they are.
You're fighting, but tonight, don't leave me. May I shut it?
La caca.
I don't see senior prefect.
Hey, one or two true.
I don't see senior prefect.
I'm not dinner. Blasting on I just enter just one abi. Yes.
So as you thought this, just why you still there?
Sorry, sir. You go take this 200 naira. You go help me buy buns 1,000. Fish pie 500.
Jesus.
So you made the message not too much for you, understand? You go help us buy 2 Coke. If Coke no dey, buy 2 Fanta. Then bring 500 naira change come for us.
Jesus.
Now what we see?
Check away this is today.
When I still there, yeah.
Now what our eyes see that time for?
My mind no carry that on one. They fit no go the message.
If you no go wound down. Alpha. You know, say we need to prepare for our egg.
How many of you now?
Me and you now. We gather there, sister.
Me, I don't feel the waeko.
Don't fail with you, never right.
You know, get sense so. How much you take buy everything they chop now?
At 200 now.
You feel use 200 buy everything for outside school.
Not true.
Now you say make a pass for egg. Me want to keep me for outside school.
So why they deal with you? Why they deal with you?
You know one graduate.
How are you, Chekube?
Good afternoon, uncle.
How was your wife?
I fell am. Even my neck, I fell am join.
Jesus.
People too fair this year.
You sabi like.
That's how I go take them for home. Say everybody fell am.
Everybody fell am. Mumu see yourself.
We don't even buy water.
Now you say you want pass for egg. Look for one junior call me. Go buy 2 bags.
Go buy water. Mumu. Now what you see? Nigerian school.
But Tyler. What be this?
Come here, where do you think you are going? Can't you see he's calling you like a dog? Don't worry, hold this bag.
It's been a while, Corinthian. They thought it was over.
Ndiala.
Now you disgrace yourself. Now you will be the woman. Now you disgrace yourself. Which kind of nonsense character?
My king.
Baby,
You didn't see.
how far?
You see God, sir. Hey. Let's say you do the one before marriage.
Which kind of yet talk me now?
I bet just feed the children room, so that everything will just be okay. Just come and feed the children.
Ma do it.
Just feed the children room now. So they sweep the person, so they also sweep and come outside, sweep and go to this.
They know the help woman. Because the manager do this on that man sweep children room. As waiting as your slave.
Not me and you get the children, you should be as your slave. Everything don't the wash out.
What I mean, I don't like the children.
I beg get out the children room.
Make her enter the children room sweep. Or you take her. I want to sweep everywhere. If no soup and leave the house me dirty. After a woman and cleaners.
Now so we do.
Small help, when I'll take advantage. What this person do slave. Sweep yourself. Shop my money, mumu.
Hi, fine girl. As I won't give you this money, the thing they pay me. But if I say now what I want chop now big pass. Turn around, make I see.
You way.
Oh! I don't get out today. I don't. In fact, take all of them. Take all of them. Hell, not be say I never marry. But anytime I just see nyash like this, my brain will just explode. It will be like say make I remarry. Which hotel we go enter now?
Let's just check somewhere around this area now.
Okay, make me find somewhere around this area.
You do pay before service.
Hell. I don't go something today.
Dissolve!
Hey, my wife.
Honey, what you do for here?
Oh, my lovely wife. As I dey waka dey pass, now I see say this thing they don't arrange am well. So now make me dey arrange am well so that the streets go fine. Jesus. But I want to buy onions, yeah? Onions.
Onions dey house now. Who says they buy onions?
Oh, sorry, not be onions I be want talk. Na gari.
Daddy, when you start to go market, so you go to buy gari now. Shebi na mommy dey go market.
See, as I come sit down this hot afternoon, I can't remember say I be father and I be husband. Yeah. So that make me want to do all those things so that I go know say I dey responsible. Make I just dey go. Make I just dey go.
Wait. No worry, everything dey house. Come on, they go house.
Jesus!
Hold me. Oh, they go house. No worry. But everything dey house.
My wife, you don't understand. I need to catch up with something.
Everything, Gary dey house, onions dey house.
What's about it, oil?
Everything dey house.
Grandma,
it dey house.
Hey!
What's happen?
Hey! Money don't go. Money don't go.
The money don't go. They go house.
Who take her? She's a warrior.
Who take her? Why you pray?
What do you call me? Not tell me.
See, my dad is very sick, and the doctor said he needs 600k for the treatment, and I don't know how to get the money.
Now why you come?
Yes, now I know my boyfriend.
I be your boyfriend now. For money not around this period, and you know say what I expect never come. If say you come now, at least your father now will take care of her well.
So how am I going to get the money?
Which phone do you use?
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Yes.
Now you see they find the money.
I don't understand. What happened to your own phone?
The iPhone 12 they use now.
Sell it now.
Hey! Babe, if I sell my iPhone 12 now, you know go reach solve this problem. But if you sell this iPhone 16 now, you go reach solve the problem, you get money for it. If you see buy on iPhone.
Alright.
Do you have anybody you sell it with or let me?
Don't worry, I have a family friend that do cell phone. I'll meet him later.
Okay, no wahala no.
What do you have in the fridge?
Pure water there.
No juice.
No juice, oh babe.
Fire can number.
No, because you want to go meet your father for hospital, you'll pay a bill.
Actually, I'm just joking. I just came to check if your expectation had come.
Don't worry, you will come in.
Call your account number.
And I put up my take out bank.
Okay. Sent.
You don't say that?
Yes.
Okay, you not confirm.
You know blast.
Ha! Babe, everything can send me you.
Yes, just use and buy those stuffs. Why I rush to the market?
Eh? You want to buy food stuff for this house?
Yes.
You mean that?
Yes.
Blast!
Blast!
Babe, if the expectation very good, I will beat you massively.
No problem. Let me rush to the market.
And I'm going to go together now.
No, just go and buy those stuff. Why I rush to the market?
Babe, I know. We are going different ways, but we are one now.
Alright, no problem.
I come here and I the blood of Jesus.
Your expectation no dey ever leave.
Just pray.
God up.
I can't do this.
Alpha, now you get this cow. They play my brother. You know say this life, if you won't look down on people, okay. Don't look down on short people, because if God go shock them, you go dey short of what? Oh, Malue. Oh, mo. Get the police. Yeah. What you go do like this? But I have a confession. Get paper. Look at paper. I do not tell you. This kind of stolen vehicle. Which kind of water you put me like this? Apati. I'm gonna what? What be this? Zero panic. Okay. Now the smoke. No. Young man, here's your paper. Here's your driving license. Here's your particular. Officer, wait.
Who please?
Your woman get belle. She get belle. In fact, I water just broke this morning and I broke. I could find something on long. Go.
Clap out.
You have escaped. Calm down.
That guy bad though. They play. See, for this life, if you don't get license, you go shall get license.
License. Not be juju be that.
Now do well,
Babe, I finally left my husband so we can be together.
No. Wow. I cannot be with you.
Why?
You know, he used to cheat on me.
Me? How? When? With who?
With your husband.
Please be onto this house.
When I fire you.
How is she cheating on you with her husband? I mean that she dey cheat on her husband with you. Which kind of mumu girl?
Because now what? You can't see.
Makenja, you no get sense. Hey, gonna see us here. Come on. See Gunners here. Now we Gunners. Best player, Saka, Bukayo. Who be Kopama? No be only. With the Gunners. Wow. No man, I don't show us Champions League. We never carry and we know.
God have mercy upon us.
Champions I'm out here. Let's go and take money by.
What be this?
Invisible. They don't boy your papa away. Invisible. They don't boy your papa away. We are invisible. Who won? Ask now one. Now me win. Now me win.
Hey, half a blow. I beg. We record. Okay. Babe, you know what? Put your account number for your birthday gift. Yeah, I just sent you 2 million naira. Say lie.
2 million naira!
I just control my girlfriend. 2 million.
Jesus! 2 million for birthday. People get money, oh.
Babe, look at what your friend did for his girlfriend on her birthday.
What did they talk? He get money, make her dey do am now.
Jesus, 2 million naira for birthday. I bet me my girlfriend not see this post.
See your friend, start. He sent 2 million naira to his babe for her birthday. How much have you sent for me? How much have you sent for me?
Use social media at your own risk. Voila.
Oh, Ozo. Your mate is getting his girlfriend 2 million naira.
Hey, Mozkoh, I told you now. Hey, babe, send me my money back.
How much should I send?
Send 1,999,950 naira. We collect the remaining 50 naira.
Chineke anwụọla m anwụọ m gbe wala handicap. Aha.
Ogo, why are you wasting my time now? Why did you waste my time? I've been standing here since.
Madam, no verse, I beg. Traffic full road.
I beg you my package, let me go inside.
Ada,
Daddy.
you ordered something?
Yes.
I think he's the one that brought my package. Are you Chibike?
Yes. Now you be Mr. John Bosco.
Yes, I'm the one.
Now me bring your package. Okay, I see her here.
No, don't worry. Give my daughter her own. Let her go inside before you give me my own.
No. Keep my daddy's one first, let him go.
No, Ada. How will I keep you under the sun?
What's going
give
on
my
here?
daughter a package so she can go inside.
No, Daddy, that's not how mommy trained me now.
Wow.
See, just give my daddy's one first, let him go.
See, I beg. I don't get all this kind.
Now only God know what to do inside in the package.
Madam, take your vibrator.
Ouch!
Okay. Take your penis.
Yes. That is useless man now.
Normally I don't do this, but today God say go and expose them.
I beg. Mona rate me 5 stars.
The video I just saw now, I did not expect it.
I did not expect it.
He shot you.
Even me not expect. Hey, voila. Even me not expect that. Which kind of but come to think of it, yes, the girl ordered vibrator. And her dad ordered pennies. Wait till the man won't take this thing do. Wait till he won't take prick do. What did the man want to take prick do? I don't understand. Did he order it for his wife? I mean they do the other one. Huh. Voila. It's somehow it's like in fact, I might not just talk anything. So that YouTube no go hear what I talk. Start to think another thing. You understand? But anyways, I believe you enjoyed this video. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it in the comment section. And check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. That one you know. There's so many videos. Check them out if you're yet to watch them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I need my followers to grow. At least I want to get to 10k subscribers at least before the end of next month. Like 10k. I ain't in my mind. 10k. So see you in my next video, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.